Okay, we're going to be talking next about the regenerative exosomes and the science behind it. So the exosomes, these are not a cell. For those of you who don't know, an exosome is acellular. It's not a cell. There's no DNA. There's over 500 growth factors, proteins, and cytokines. So what is an exosome? It's like a nanoparticle. It's a lipoid membrane vesicle, extracellular vesicle. They're also known as EVs, an extracellular vesicle. The smallest of the EVs typically are the exosomes. So it's safer than stem cells. There's no negative reaction, no foreign DNA that's circulating in your body, no reverse transcriptase, which can cause a potential immune reaction, much more lasting effects than even stem cells. The purpose of stem cells, for those the uninitiated, is to release these exosomes, to release these billions of these bubbles that flow off of the cells, in this case, mesenchymal stem cells. So these messengers that flow off in bubbles, lipoid, mini, 1/1000th the size of a cell, these bubbles. They go over to the hair follicles and they, boop, turn it on, which is what we want. And we do it together with the peptides, which they work hand in hand. So lasting effects with the exosomes, much more lasting than even exosomes, because the purpose of exosomes is to release, the purpose of stem cells rather is to create and release exosomes. So it's smarter. Doesn't it make more sense to have like the end source of what you were trying to achieve? So much higher concentrations, and they keep on producing results for months, up to months after it's delivered to the site. So this is much more lasting effect than stem cells. You need to understand this and communicate this. Your job, whether you're a medical assistant, a patient care coordinator, a front desk person, the owner of the clinic, the supervising MD, whatever, your job is to communicate to your patient, everyone. Our jobs are to communicate effectively, to help people. So it's important that you understand the importance of exosomes and the most advanced protocols that exist right now. It's not just PRP, people. For those of you who are stuck in that paradigm, just know that there's a much better wave, and that's this biotic hair methodology. So I want you to really give it your worst patients, and the struggling ones, who the kids or the women, as long as they have their thyroid is under control, as long as they're metabolically neutral, no active ongoing thyroid issue, hormonal issue, as long as they're stable, these products will work incredibly well on your patients, and you'll be able to deliver for them 25 times the concentration, rapid, dramatic results with the exosomes on hair. So we have our hair pens. You're going to be getting it together with the dermal stampers that you're going to be delivering in your home kits for your patients, where they're using the peptide serums together to work with the exosomes. It's a 1-2 punch. The stuff is unbelievable in terms of the non-needle at home use for patients. Hope you're enjoying this, because you're going to be making a lot of difference in people's lives.